Shalom Aleichem, welcome to Assyrian Dishes. I'm Julian and today we'll be making oven baked fish. So let's start cooking. These are the ingredients for the oven baked fish. I'll be using 2 kilos of tilapia, which is white boneless fish. 2 tomatoes that I've just diced, half a bunch of parsley chopped, 1 onion diced, 1 teaspoon of curry powder, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of ground pepper, 1 lemon, 213 ml of tomato sauce or puree, some sea salt and extra virgin olive oil. And this is how your oven baked fish should look like. Serve it on top of a bed of white rice and enjoy. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share this recipe with your friends. And don't forget to visit my website at assyriandishes.com for more recipes. Happy cooking everyone!